morning everybody and welcome to Monday's Assembly, and I'm really excited to be using this assembly to launch the Outright 2020 campaign. Now, for all of you that were in Oscott Manor this time last year, you will remember our special Code Blue Day, and that was our Outright campaign 2019, when we celebrated 30 years of the Convention on the Rights of the Child. But this time we're doing something different. We're going to be looking at and learning all about climate change. When Astrid did our Silver report, she asked us to think more about being global citizens, okay? So I want us to think about climate change locally, nationally and internationally. And I want you to raise awareness. I want us to be using our voices to call on decision makers to take action. Now we've got a prime opportunity. The United Nations Climate Change Conference of Parties, wow, that's a mouthful, we can call it COP for short, are meeting in Italy this year, and they're meeting in Glasgow in the UK next November. And do you know what? Almost every country attends that summit to discuss climate change. So we've got the chance to influence something really important. Now, we need to learn about it. So we've got 7 main learning activities that we'll be doing. The first one is a quiz. Everybody loves a quiz. And it's just called What is Climate Change? And from that quiz we'll find out how much we all already know and what we've got to learn. The next one is how does climate change affect children's rights? The next one, we're going to have climate conversations. We're going to find out about what various people think about climate change, not just people in the school, but your friends, your relatives, and people in the wider community. We also want to find out how climate change affects children's health, and we want to find out what children are already doing, what sort of action they're already taking on climate change. I think you'll find there's rather a lot going on already. One of the exciting activities is we are going to reimagine a better Earth, okay? Cast your minds into the future and we will have a look at how we can make our Earth into a lovely place. And the last one, we're going to look at how the impacts of climate change and climate-linked migration impact on your right to learn. Now, rather than me going on, Unicef have got a very high-profile supporter called Kel Spellman, so I'm going to hand you over to him, who's going to tell you a little more about Outright. Thank you for listening.
My name is Kel Spellman and I hope you're all okay, smiling and looking after yourselves. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and more so, thank you for being a part of Outright. Now, Outright is something I am so passionate about and I myself have supported for a number of years. Why? Well, Outright empowers young people just like you. It provides you the space and tools to go out there and make a difference and make the world a better place, something I know you can all absolutely do. Outright is Unicef's youth campaign. It allows you, beautiful young people, to stand up for and speak out about your rights and the rights of children all around the world. So, this year's theme for Outright is something I'm very passionate about. It is something that is very close to my heart and something I deeply care about. It is climate change. Now, I'm pretty sure you might know lots about climate change already, or if not, those are 2 words that you've heard said loads over the last few years. Well, that is because climate change is one of the biggest threats that we all face. Climate change is putting more and more children's lives in danger through a variety of reasons, but one of those reasons being it causes extreme weather like droughts, cyclones, severe flooding. Now, sadly, extreme events like these are putting children's most basic rights at risk, like going to school, having access to clean water and food, or having a safe place to call home. all these basic rights that you and I might not have to think about. But that is why I am championing Outright and love it so much, because it allows you to make the difference I know you can make. I know you brilliant young people can give these children a voice, for stand up for what's right and go about making the world a better place and changing the course that we are on when it comes to climate change. So by getting involved in Outright, you can do all those things. I really hope you feel inspired to get involved and make a difference and learn lots about climate change on the way. I firmly believe that young people just like you can make a difference and can change the world. Outright will help you do that. It will empower you. It will equip you with the tools and create the space for you to do just that, to make your voice heard, to stand up and make a difference for yourselves and for all the children around the world who need a voice. I really, really do believe in you, and I really hope you join us on this journey. I'm so excited to go on it with you. Have a wonderful day. Look after yourselves, look after each other, and thank you for making your voice heard. I'll see you all very soon. Peace and love.